With a number of unique events in London, and not quite winter weather, November is a great time to visit. This month you'll have a chance to set something ablaze, or watch others do it, on Bonfire Night. Pay your respects to the greatest generations on Armistice Day. Celebrate the new Lord Mayor with a grand parade. As the month goes on, start to look for holiday lights and decorations. For any visit to London, regardless of when, we have some ideas for top things to do. Visit our blog post link in the description below for a full list. Watch the changing of the guards at Buckingham Palace. Visit the Tower of London and try on the crown jewels. Actually, don't do that. Just visit. Join us on a free Tours by Foot walking tour. Hop on a bus tour or a river cruise on the Thames. Look for all the Harry Potter sites in London. There are so many more great things to do in London, so be sure to read our blog post to find them all. Weather-wise, London is mild, though temperatures do fall throughout the month of November. Early November normally sees warm, daytime high temperatures around 13 to 14 Celsius, mid-50s Fahrenheit. As we approach the end of the month, afternoon high temperatures will more likely be 9 to 10 Celsius, upper 40s Fahrenheit. At the beginning of the month, overnight or early morning lows are about 8 to 9 Celsius, upper 40s Fahrenheit, and drop to near 5 to 6 Celsius, lower 40s Fahrenheit as the weeks go on. There are a few sunny days, but skies will be cloudy or mostly cloudy on about 21 days, with some rainfall likely on about 17 days. It's always best to carry an umbrella in London. Early in the month, a medium-weight waterproof jacket or coat might work fine. However, towards the end of the month, some additional winter attire is recommended. Make sure to use the links below to visit our blog post for more information on London in November or year-round. You can also subscribe here for more video tips and top things in London and many cities around the world.